Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company, and today is Friday, October 23rd. I have a big lineup of things to show you, so let's get going. First off, it is still October, so we still have a block of the day from the Moda Stitch Pink Quilt Along. This is today's block made by Roberta, and then I'll go ahead and show you Saturday's block, which was made by Julie, and then Sunday's block, which was made by Laura. So if you're interested in getting any of the patterns for these blocks, they are all available on our website and on our blog, and they pop up each morning so that you have one block a day to follow. So if you're interested in that, give us a call or check out our blog posts and learn more about it. Next up, we have a beautiful new baby quilt, and we have the kit available for it. This was also made by Julie. It's upside down. Let me fix that. This was also made by Julie. An adorable use of a pattern and the coordinating fabrics. And this is available as a quilt kit, and the kit is going to be $39.95. It includes the pattern, which is a Villa Rosa pattern, and then all the fabric you need to make this adorable little quilt. Next up, it's Friday, which means it is Fat Quarter Friday. So come on in here and I'll show you today's Fat Quarter selections. They were put together by, I don't know, it doesn't even say. It's the Friday group, put together by the Friday group. So we have a mushroom print on top, and then that's one of the Carolyn Friedlander prints. There's one with little maple twirlies, and then that looks like a batik in there, so that's a fun inclusion, along with some maple leaf fabrics. And on the bottom there is one of our floral, or what's it called, Figo elements. So again, with all of our Fat Quarter Friday groups, you get a little note that tells you what everything is. So if you're interested in purchasing more, you know what it is that you have in your pack. These are only available while supplies last, and every Friday there's a new collection available to see. And we wanted to show you a couple of things you can make with 6 fat quarters. These were made by our very own Roberta. This first one is called Cherish, and it is a $2 Villa Rosa pattern that can be made entirely with 6 fat quarters. And the next one is called Easy Does It, also can be made with 6 fat quarters. So if you've picked up a fat quarter pack in the past and you want to know what to do with it, or want some ideas, or you want to pick up one of our current or future Fat Quarter Friday bundles, this is an example of one of the things that you could make with a fat quarter pack. We hope you have a great weekend. We hope you find time to sew. If you are not doing anything tomorrow, we would love to see you up at the retreat at Lake Gaston for an open house between 11 to 4. It's an hour and a half away from the shop here in Cary. And if you want more information about the retreat, you can find out more at retreatlkg.com. We hope to see you soon online, in-store, curbside, or at the retreat. Have a great weekend.